have our first day at Hersheypark today with our season passes. So I don't know how this is going to go because, as you can see, the weather has taken a turn. It was beautiful the last 2 days, and now it's kind of cold and rainy. So I'm not sure what's going to be open. I'm not sure how long we're going to spend in the park. But there are plenty of other things for us to do, and the big thing we're going to do is get Rachel's season pass processed, because Adam and I just renewed our passes, but you can't renew a junior pass. And we also are going to be adding a drink plan to our pass for the very first time. So we're going to see how that works. So there's a lot of logistical stuff we have to do anyway, and it's actually kind of good to get that done on a way when you're not trying to like rush to the coasters and stuff. Honestly, I don't know how many coasters are going to be open today. So we'll see how this goes. We'll be there pretty soon. Now, like I said, me and Adam already have our passes. We just renewed them, but we need to take Rachel's picture again because they don't renew junior season passes. So. Alright, I'll get out your paper.
You just look right here. Oh, look at that. Good smile. Perfect. That is one of the better ones, I have to say.
Alright, go ahead. Yeah, babe. Yeah, you're not quite a Hershey bar yet. No. Go over to the Reese's. You're a Reese's. You have to stand. Yeah. You're very, 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 very close to being a Hershey bar. So, of course, there was a problem putting the drink cup on the pass that we already bought.
We got some Dunkin'.
So we got some Dunkin' while we're waiting for Daddy to sort it out because Mommy was having a conniption in the season pass office. So Daddy sent Mommy to go calm down outside. So, because it's on a payment plan, I guess. I don't really understand the problem, but I'm hoping it's sorted because the park is open now and I'd like to go in. Adam wants us to wait.
It's good to have options. You have to have workarounds if they don't work.
Right. Cool, huh? Yeah.
Okay, no.
Right.
Signed it and said this is a valid thing. Give
Right.
them a cup
Right.
or something.
Wow, I just rode Sky Rush in the freezing cold and it was amazing. So Adam is gonna ride it now. And I told him to ride the Comet and the Looper too. Rachel wanted to ride the Convoy. I'm out of breath from pushing the stroller up a massive hill. So Rachel's gonna ride the Convoy now. Hey, honey! Alright, we're gonna take a trip on the classic cars. Still while we wait for Daddy too, huh? Whoa! I don't know if I can control this thing! Whoa! Whoa! Here he comes! Mr. Hoodie, he got our cup! Thank goodness. So, how were your rides?
Chilly.
Did you ride all 3 rides?
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. We rode the classic cars too. I think she might have left her gloves in the bathroom, so I'm gonna go back and check.
Just feel this cup. It's cool. It's like
Nice.
insulated.
It better be worth all the problems. Oh yes.
Ices in it.
I know you can get ices in it. Okay. Mommy's turn to ride again. I'm gonna ride my personal favorite, Great Bear. So how's your schmovie?
Good.
Good. That's from this guy. That guy made it. Apologize if there's water on the lens. It's one of those days. So I rode the Great Bear and Storm Runner, and it was freezing and it felt like knives were stabbing me in the face, and my clothing, it was really cold. I closed my eyes the whole time, and my clothing was soiled by the track lubricants on Great Bear, for anyone who knows those signs.
I rode a little roller coaster too.
What, Rachel?
I rode a little coaster too.
You rode a coaster? What'd you ride?
Stroller coaster.
A stroller coaster? Good job. Yeah. Giddy up. Taking a necessary lunch break indoors at Rachel's favorite place, the Gourmet Grill for chicken. It's very chilly, huh? Yeah. Perfect day for the zoo. To the southern swamps. Oh, hello, friends. The spoon. Honey, come over here. Hi, Spoonbills. That one keeps like attacking that one. Hey, caught on camera, buddy. What?
Hashtag cute.
The snake. Ooh, it's a rattlesnake. Wow. Hashtag cute. The grandpa fish. The gare. Yes, we have to look at the alligator. They're new alligators.
The one they had.
Ooh, he's actually like
to another zoo.
moving. Oh, he's coming to come see us. Uh-oh. No.
Look at these. Look at.
Am I his deer
Can't
special?
get to you.
Honey, he's behind the glass.
You can't even see you.
Oh, he's giving me the side eye.
He's giving you the side eye?
Yeah.
He is.
Baby.
Oh, he's giving Rachel the side eye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
This is the most active I've ever seen an alligator before. They usually don't move this much. Uh-oh. Hello. He doesn't what?
He turned away from the bubbles.
Oh, the bubbles. That's cool. Hello, brother. That bear is peeking. On to the next exhibit. Yeah, where is he? He's over here. The
Gila monster.
Oh, that would be Gila.
Right there.
Gila monster.
He's the OG original.
OG Gila.
He's big.
There's two turtles. There was a boat. Wait, there's three turtles. All right, time for the dark room.
Can I hold Daddy's hand?
Yes, you can hold Daddy's hand. Go ahead. Rachel, come here.
Here, come over here. You'll see it.
Dakota. Rachel might not be able to see.
Come right down here.
Oh, look at them. The Cody's. Yeah, your daddy, you pick her up.
Stand on that
Juicy. Yeah, stand up right there.
Yeah, I got you.
Look at them. They're so adorable. A giant rattlesnake, huh? That's great.
Isn't that cute?
Okay. Yeah, it's adorable. Eastern Woodlands. Ooh, it's the bobcats. Bobcats. They're always sleeping when we
Oh, it
come.
looks like Maud.
It looks like a really big Maud. Maud's cousins. Whoa.
Did he jump?
He did.
There's two.
That one. Can we have them as pets?
Yes.
We love cats on Random Geeky Mom. Oh, the otters! Oh, what's he doing?
Well, that water looks clean. Wow, that water looks clean.
It looks clean.
You know that joke?
No.
It's like if the water's really dirty and you say it's clean.
Oh, I get it. Where'd Daddy go? He must be on the other side of this bobcat. Top of the bays.
Bear encounter. Bigfoot used to be there.
Bigfoot?
Yeah.
Look at the bear prints. The bear footprints. You see the bear? Where?
They're over there crying.
No. What? No, that's not bears. That's like turkeys. That's another pet, and there's deer in there. No, I don't think they're over here.
Which one am I? Which one are you, Daddy? Daddy, which one are you? Daddy, which one are you?
I'm as tall as a black bear.
Oh, he's taller. The black bear's taller. Look at the polar bear.
Word.
He's in the pipe.
Oh, the bear's in the pipe. Okay.
Looking at me.
Oh, he's awake. Can't really see him very well. He's like, leave me alone. It's raining. He's like, I'm not coming out in the rain. Oh, there goes the monorail. It goes right through the zoo. It's coming back.
Be careful talking to a predator.
I will be careful talking to a predator. Be careful up there, Rach, okay? That's so
I want to go
cool.
with the good view.
What's the good view? Honey, this is the good view. He's right here. That's only for if he's up on the rocks and stuff. Today, this is the good view. Hello, are you an exhibit?
No, he's not. He's a feeding.
I'm gonna feed him? I don't know if I have a quarter. Yeah, take your gloves off. Just don't get too close to the goose, okay? Because they can get a little pesky.
That was all.
Didn't this used to be closer to the edge? Well, this guy is excited.
I'm gonna try to name it.
All right. Woo! You have to show our hand stamps. Get back into Hersheypark. Back in Hersheypark. And of course, we found a friend. Will you take a picture with your camera, Adam? Thank you, Hershey Bar. Yeah, cool. You met him.
I did it.
You did awesome. You're so good with the guys now.
Yeah.
Do you remember when you were a baby and they had the Reese's dance party at the boardwalk and you used to dance with them?
Yeah. And remember,
That's nice.
Remember when the Kit Kat did this?
Yeah, I do.
Hello, and welcome aboard the Capital Blue Cross monorail at Hersheypark.
Oh,
With
yeah.
Capital Blue Cross, you have the security of a been trusted for nearly 80 years.
There's Sky Rush.
That opens doors in all 50 states.
They added a big drop.
Oh my God!
Behind you.
That's not a drop.
Yes,
That's
it
a
is.
slow decline.
The zoo began.
There's where we just were in the zoo. There's those goose. The goose is still there. There's the bridge that enters into ZooAmerica. There's the towers and the Storm Runner and the bubbles.
Christmas.
Here comes Storm Runner.
Hersheypark in the Duck and Hersheypark Christmas Candy Lane.
There it goes. That was a very ouchy ride today. And back to the monorail station we go. It seems like we ride this ride a lot. It's because we do. Because we like it. Right, Rach? All right, Mommy's gonna ride a couple of the rides herself. Rachel's gonna go off with Adam for a bit. All right, I'm gonna ride the Reese's Extreme Cup Challenge. I'll find you guys, okay? I'll call you. All right, have a good time. So, I just beat a car full of 4 people on the Reese's Extreme Cup Challenge. Now, 2 were children, but I was like, oh, I'm gonna be creamed. I have no choice. I was in a car by myself, and I just handily beat a car full of 4 people. So, video gaming, it's a thing. Reflexes. All right, I'm gonna go ride the Comet. Now, it's really crappy and cold out today, but these are at least the kind of weights you get for putting up with a day like today. It's 2:30 though, and we are not staying much longer.
Your car will play inside the right vehicle until it stops in the station. Then push down and pull
Well, I think I'm going to go in the front.
unbuckle your seatbelt.
Look, Rach! She's like, I don't know what to make of this. Wow! Yay! There we go. Oh, wow! That's one way to keep warm. Woo! You did awesome, honey. Cool. Thank you, Hershey syrup. Wow. Time for the carousel. Woo! Rachel, look at Mommy. Hi. Whoa. There he is. Ooh. Check it out, check it out. There's Breaker's Edge. Coming on Memorial Day weekend near you. Ooh. Okay, well, we've had just about enough of the cold and rain, even though I don't think it's raining right now. So we're gonna go. But we're not gonna go too far. We're gonna go to Chocolate World, yes! Oh, you got it? It's very heavy. Yeah. All right, go ahead.
They remodeled this place, I know it.
Ooh, they are remodeling. That's even more than it was last time. Woo! Longest line of the day, the Chocolate World ride. At least it's indoors.
Hi, folks.
Here we go again.
Farm. The Hershey goodness starts right here.
I'm not going to take too much on this ride. If you want to see more, check out the video from when we were coming back from DC, guys. Alright, and obviously we're back in the car. Oh, we didn't get to do the back of the park today. It was just too cold, and we didn't really want to walk back there. So that'll be our priority next time. In the summer or even next month, hopefully.
Did it not feel like springtime in the park?
No, it kind of felt like winter in the park with some rain. But yeah, it's pretty quiet. Lightning Race
is kind of springy.
Yeah, it is. Lightning Racer didn't even open, I don't think. But yeah, we're gonna go check out and see if we can see the new water rides. Lightning Racer. Ooh, and check it out, beyond Lightning Racer, we've got Breaker's Edge. Well, as we drive into the bowels of Hershey, I'm gonna sign off here. It's only like 4:30, but we're gonna start heading for home, and yes, and we'll stop for dinner on the way, but I'm gonna end this here. So I hope you enjoyed. This was our first trip of the year. There should be a lot more to look forward to, so stay tuned, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Oh. Wow.